to talk about my favorite visualization activity. I love this one so much. I was so excited to be able to share it with you this week. So what you are going to need is some paper, a pen to write with, you need a pair of scissors, and you also need some kind of jar or, basket or container, something. My Southern ass has a mason jar, but something where you can put the paper in, okay? So what you are going to do is write out on your paper every single thing that you are dreaming of. You also have to have a list of dreams and goals too. And so every single thing that you want to bring into your life, you will write on this paper, whether it's, becoming a best-selling author or being the top of my business, becoming the CEO, becoming a billionaire, whatever it is that you want, meeting Taylor Swift at her concert, it can be literally anything. There's nothing off limits. There are no rules to this. So anything that you want, and really just leave some space in between here because we're going to be cutting these out. So take some time to write down everything that you want, and then you will, I cheated, I've already done this. You will cut out your dreams and kind of fold them up, and then you'll put them all in your jar here. So exciting. You put them all in your jar, and then whenever you feel like visualizing, if you're in a good mood and you just want to take some time to dream a little bit, you will shake it up, and then you pull one out. Let's see what this is. Have an insanely successful life coaching business. That's the one I pulled out. So, because that's something that I want. And so I will set my timer for 3 minutes, and then I will close my eyes and picture this. I will go into great detail with this. I will think about, what do I look like? When I'm completely working for myself, what kind of hairstyle do I have? Which is probably going to be the same. But, what do I look like? What am I wearing? What is my schedule like? Who am I talking to? What are my clients like? How happy am I? Where do I live? What am I doing? What do I drive? What am I talking to these women about? What have I already accomplished? Whatever it is that you pull out, you just go into super detail about it for 3 minutes until your timer goes off, and you just think about that. And you can do as many as you want to at a time, I guess. I usually do like 2 or 3 at a time. And it's just a really fun way to visualize your future and really bring all of that into your life. And so I hope that you will take time to do that, and let me know how it works for you. Let me know what you manifest into your life and how awesome it is and what it feels like and what your biggest goal is. Comment your biggest goal below, because we will have that recorded in 2018, and then whenever you manifest it, you can come back and be like, yup, I said I was gonna do that. So I can't wait to read these. Have a good day.